Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. Today we're going to do a rewind. We're going to talk about rounding. First, this is example A, and what we're going to do is we are going to round this number 23.6281 to the 10th spot. Now, before you begin, you got to have your vocabulary down pat. You got to know which is the 10th spot, the 100th spot, 1000th spot, and so on. The 10th spot is the value located to the right of the decimal place, 1 unit. Notice by my arrow where we're at, and I highlighted this for you in yellow. Then what you're going to do is you need to look to the right of the 10 spot, which is now the 100 spot. This is the number that dictates whether or not we make the 6 a 7 or we leave it the same. The rules are the following. If the number in the 100 spot is 5 or greater when you're rounding to the tenths, then you round the number in the 10th spot up 1. If the number in the 100 spot is less than 5, you keep the number in the 10th spot the same. So, as a result, because the number in the 100 spot, which is 2, is less than 5, that means we keep the 6 in the 10th spot exactly the same, and our answer is 23.6. Now, I wanted to show you another example here, B, a new value that I have, 15.3742. Notice that the 3 is in the 10th spot, and again we are rounding to the 10th. So, now what I do is I look right next door to the right in the 100 spot. I notice it's a 7. 7 is 5 or more. So then now my 15.3742 rounds to 15.4 to the 10th spot. Now, I want you to think about this exactly what we did. And if the question was asking you to round to, say, the 100th spot, you would do this exact same technique. However, you would be going one more unit to the right. So you'd be looking at the second and third values rather than the first and second after the decimal point. And that's it. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.